Morning everyone, it's Thanksgiving weekend and we are starting on the trusses now. We did get one of them up there already, but I will have the camera out showing how we do the rest of them. We put that one end up upside down and use a rope to pull the other side up, and then we just got some braces on the back of it right up there just so it doesn't fall backwards. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. So I'll set the camera up and we're gonna try to throw at least maybe 4 of them up there, brace them, depending on how much time we have today, and we'll just see how it goes. So it's a few days later now, but that's pretty much where it's at. We've got some bracing in there that we got to do still. Got some wood pushed up there. Just gonna slide it in today and get it all braced up. But she's finally framed. Now we can move on to sheathing. We're just one step closer to finishing this thing off. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to end the video off here, and yeah, we're just one step closer. I still can't believe that we did this like with no prior experience on how to frame or build anything like this. So it's definitely very helpful with all the information on the internet. Wouldn't be able to do without it. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.